I don't know who needs to hear this, but tough times may never last, but tough people strongly do. You may have sad times, you may have tough situations in life, but being sad or being happy is your personal choice. Because no matter what attitude you would have, the times are not going to change. But your response towards those tough times would definitely help you lead the life happily during those tough times. So try to develop an attitude of tough people. Try to create your own happiness during tough times, so that even though the time may last longer, you can still keep on enjoying and passing that life peacefully, happily, and doing the things that you love to do. Follow a routine, be disciplined with your routine, and tough times will pass eventually. If you like the video, do remember to follow for more. Thank you.